Hi, it's Matthew from CarpetCleaning360. Today I'm here to talk quickly about the importance of pre-vacuuming, as there are some companies around that don't pre-vacuum or charge extra, whatever have you. So you can see this is clean water I'm starting off with. I'm just going to give a quick vacuum here. So you can see what's happened here. Just going to dump this into the pail. You're going to get the idea. So I've mixed up a little bit of my Revive It Rocket as a pre-spray. I'm just going to add that in. As most companies that do steam clean will pre-spray without pre-vac, and what happens is you're trying to extract all this lovely hair and dirt and grime and stuff. We here at CarpetCleaning360 will vacuum all carpets before we actually clean them. Which process would you prefer?